Hey you and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to take profit right here on Axiom Pro. So what we're going to do right here is we select right here perpetuals where we can create ourselves an order with a take profit and a stop loss. But for this video, I will show you exactly how you can create a take profit. So right now, what we're going to do is we select right here which symbol we want to trade. So for now, let's do Ethereum. Then we go to the right where you will find right here your order type. So right here we can select if you want to fill in a long or a short. So do long for now. And then we can create yourselves right here a limit order or a market order. Then fill in right here the amount that you want to trade. And we can also change right here the leverage if you want to do that. I recommend you to do that because leverage 20 times is very high. Then after that, we go right here and we select here at TPSL to enable the option for a take profit. Then we fill in right here at TP price, the take profit price. So right now Ethereum is standing on 2049. So we can fill in right here, let's say 3K or maybe 2.5K. And then once the price goes up to that price, he will automatically take the profit right here for our trade. So fill in right here the price and then we select right here on buy position. I don't have any money standing on this account, so that is why it's only saying add more funds. But when you have money on your account, you can click right here on buy position. So this is exactly how it works. Hopefully this was exactly the video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.